Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can sell ebooks on your WordPress website. So let's log in into our website. And after that, make sure that you have installed WooCommerce plugin in order to enable e-commerce functionality. Let's go to plugins. Here you can see I have installed WooCommerce plugin. If you want to install that plugin, just you can go to add new plugin, and after that here you can search for WooCommerce. After that, now let's go to products, click add new, and after that here you can give title ebook purchase online, whatever title you want to add. After that, scroll down. Now here you can select virtual downloadable. Now here you can add your file for the ebook. Now let's upload. Alright, you can also add file name ebook, and here you can also add some price, for example 10, and after that here you can add some description, then click publish. Now let's see how it looks. Here you can see ebook product is added. If you want to add product image, scroll down and here you can find out product image option. Now you can easily add product image, then click update. Now let's refresh the page. So here you can see we have added ebook product.